3, 2, 1, up! Let's Make a Scene, Season 1, Episode 3!
Magandang araw, mga mahal! Narito na naman ang inyong Ate Loves para sa ating segment na Afternoon Delight. Ay, siya nga pala kaway-kaway sa ating mga kapatid sa LGBTQIA++ community. Ano? Dahil ngayong araw ay ipinagdiriwang ang napakakulay na Pride Month. Sa atin namang saucy zodiac, kung birthday mo ngayon, ikaw ay isang Gemini. Makikilala mo
As
ngayong
if I
araw
need more
ang tao
people
para sa
to
iyo,
add to my
kaya
list.
kailangang maging handa. At mahuhuli ba ang Sagittarius? Pinakaswerte sa zodiac, ika nga.
Of course, it's Sagittarius.
Ang iyong pasensya dahil ang araw na ito
Sagittarius
ay
are always the
magbabago
lucky
ng iyong
ones.
buhay. Pwede rin kabaliktaran. Pero parang nafe-feel ko. Basta, ang araw na ito ay makulay, masaya, at talagang puno ng sorpresa.
Hello?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, miss. It's okay.
Do you know how much is this?
No,
Why not?
I don't work here.
Then why are you standing there like that?
Standing like what?
I don't know, whatever.
Hey sis! Yeah! Where are you? Oh, everyone is here na! Including mom and dad.
First of all, that party isn't my idea.
Oh, yes! But it's your birthday! So it must be very, very special!
Second, I'm on my way.
Yay! That's my girl! Come on!
I need you there.
We'll wait for you here.
Bye.
Bye!
Happy birthday.
What?
Happy birthday. Gemini ka, di ba?
You're really weird. Bye, weirdo.